In this video, we will see the areas of combination of plane figures. This is a new topic for us. And to understand this, we will use one example. I am using example number 4 of NCERT book. Two circular flower beds have been shown on two sides of a square lawn ABCD of side 56 meter. If the center of each circular flower bed is the point of intersection O of the diagonals of the square lawn, find the sum of the areas of the lawn and the flower bed. First of all, let us draw the figure. Let this be the square field A, B, C, D, and these are the diagonals AC and BD intersecting each other at O, and on two sides of the square lawn two flower beds have been designed. So we have to find out the area of flower beds. This is the flower bed and this is the flower bed. Okay, and also we have to find out the area of the lawn, the square lawn ABCD. The side of the square we are given 56 meter. Okay. Now, as we know, as we have studied in previous chapter, that if we have a square ABCD whose diagonals are intersecting at O, so we know that the diagonals of square perpendicularly bisect each other. Okay, this means that diagonals are bisecting as well as the angle is 90 degree. So here AOB and COD, this portion and this portion each are working as the quadrant of circle, and AB is working as a chord for which this section has become a segment. So if we have to find the areas of flower beds, that means we have to find the areas of two segments with the angle 90 degree. And to find the area of the lawn, we have to find out the area of the square. So first thing, area of square lawn is equal to side into side, side square is equal to 56 into 56. So if we square it, we get the answer for 56 square. So let us multiply it. So it is 3136 meter square is the area of the square lawn. Here we get the first answer. And now to get the area of the flower beds, what we have to do is, first we need to find out the radius of this quadrant. And to find that, we will use the triangle BCD or triangle ABD, and in which we will be using Pythagoras theorem. For second part, in triangle BCD, where angle C is equal to 90 degree, as ABCD is a square, and BC is equal to DC, both equal to 56 meter. Therefore, by applying PGT, BD square is equal to BC square plus DC square. Therefore, BD square is equal to BC square, which is 56, plus DC square, also 56. Therefore, BD square is equal to 3136 plus 3136 is equal to BD square, which is equal to, we can say, 2 times of 3136 instead of adding them. Therefore, if we remove the square of BD, we get 56 under root 2 meter. Okay. Also, if BD is 56 under root 2, therefore OB, which is equal to OD, these two are equal as diagonals bisect, will be equal to 56 under root 2 upon 2, that is equal to, we can cancel 56 by 2, it is 28 under root 2 meter. That means we have got the radius for segment. So this implies that area of flower bed is equal to 2 into area of segment, because there are 2 segments, so the flower bed's area will be the total area of both the flower beds. Here the radius will work as 28 under root 2 meter. 2 into r square upon 2 pi theta by 180 minus sin theta. 2 can be cancelled. So r square is 28 under root 2 into 28 under root 2. The value of pi 22 upon 7. 22 into theta is 90 upon 7 into 180 minus sin 90. Therefore, it is 28 under root 2 into 28 under root 2 is 28 into 28 into 2. Here 90 was a 92 and cancelling 22 by 2. So we get 11 upon 7 minus sin 90, which is equal to 1. So we have 28 into 28 into 2, and if we take the LCM, it will be 7. 11 minus 7, that is equal to 28 into 28 into 2 into 4 upon 7. So 7 was a 7, 7 4 are 28, and we can multiply it. 112, 28 into 4 is 112 into 8. Therefore, if we multiply 112 by 8, 8 to the 16, 6 carry 1, 8 was the 8 plus 1, 9, and 8 was the 8. That is 896 meter square is the area of 2 flower beds.